Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. Since I am going to quite a lot of concerts this year, I kind of figured that even though there is a lot of bands that I'm going to see, and there's a lot of bands that I have seen, there is some bands that I haven't seen that I do want to see. And of course, some of them are bands that I will be going to see this year. But the ones that I at least will be going to see this year, bands that I haven't seen, is I'm gonna at least start off with AC/DC as well. And yeah, that's the biggest one of the biggest ones that I haven't seen, and as I will be seeing them in early August. And the second one that I at least will going to see, that I at least have had the opportunity, but I sadly missed them, is Electric Callboy. I've actually talked to Nico at Grasspop last year, and they seem amazing live, and of course I wanted to see them. And of course there are some bands that I do want to see before they quit. Rolling Stones, for example. For some reason I haven't seen them, and I don't know for how long they will be playing. And another one isn't really a band by itself, but rocker, Bruce Springsteen. He might do for quite a long time as well, and that's one that I probably want to see before he quits as well. And at least the last one that I can think of right now at least might be a strange one in a sense, but I have been starting to listen to this band for quite a bit, and that one is Primus. Some people might be like, who's that? You may probably recognize the South Park theme song. Of course, they play that one. And of course, we have Tom and Cat, Mr. Crinkle, and other songs as well. Just because of the energy of the live concerts and hearing Les Claypool's bass, would be amazing to see live, to be honest. So what are your bands that you want to see that you haven't seen? Comment below, like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.